Welcome to Star Chat, where we explore the vast expanse of space and the wonders that lie within. As we gaze up at the stars, we're reminded of the infinite possibilities that await us in the cosmos. Today, we're going to delve into a story that's been unfolding like a celestial tapestry, weaving together threads of innovation, ambition, and risk. Imagine a future where artificial intelligence data centers float in space, their digital tendrils stretching across the galaxy like a cosmic nervous system. It's a vision that Elon Musk has been championing, touting it as a no-brainer for the future of AI development. But as we peer into the fine print of SpaceX's IPO filing, we find a more nuanced narrative, one that whispers warnings of significant technical complexity and unproven technologies. As we navigate this complex landscape, let's take a step back and consider the broader context. The pursuit of space-based AI infrastructure is not just a technological challenge, it's also a philosophical one. It raises questions about our place in the universe, our relationship with technology, and the responsibilities that come with exploring the vast unknown. As we ponder these questions, we're reminded that the journey to the stars is not just about technical prowess, it's also about humility, skepticism, and a deep respect for the mysteries of the cosmos. So, let's proceed with caution, acknowledging the risks and uncertainties that accompany this ambitious endeavor. The story of SpaceX's AI ambitions serves as a reminder that even the most visionary pursuits must be grounded in reality. As we strive to push the boundaries of what's possible, we must also remain mindful of the challenges that lie ahead. And so, we'll continue to follow this narrative, tracking the twists and turns as it unfolds. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, where we're exploring the wonders of the universe and all its fascinating creatures. Today, we're going to talk about a rather unusual topic: reindeer and their unique antlers. You might know that caribou and reindeer are actually the same thing, and they're the only deer species where females grow antlers. But have you ever wondered why female caribou bother with these energy-intensive appendages? As it turns out, researchers have discovered that the answer might be quite simple: moms need snacks. A new study found that female caribou have a peculiar habit of gnawing on their own shed antlers, which are rich in calcium and phosphorus. This behavior is particularly interesting because it suggests that these antlers serve as a kind of nutrient-rich snack for new mothers, helping them to replenish their energy stores after giving birth. But that's not all. The study also revealed that this behavior is quite specific to caribou. The researchers collected over 1,500 antlers from the Arctic National Wildlife Refuge in Alaska and found that 86% of them had gnaw marks, with 99% of those marks coming from other caribou. This suggests that caribou have a unique preference for snacking on their own shed antlers, which is not seen in other animals. This story highlights the fascinating adaptations that exist in the natural world, where creatures have evolved to exploit every available resource to survive and thrive. And it's not just reindeer. Other animals have their own clever strategies for finding food and nutrients. For example, the American woodcock uses its unique dance moves to charm worms out of the ground, mimicking the vibrations of moles digging underground. As we explore these fascinating stories, we're reminded that there's still so much we don't know about the natural world. From the intricate social behaviors of animals to the complex interactions between species and their environments, there's always more to discover. And speaking of discovery, our next story takes us to the edge of space-time itself, where physicists are grappling with the mysteries of neutrinos and the Standard Model of physics. Welcome back to Star Chat. Today, we've been exploring the fascinating world of technology and innovation. As we wrap up our show, I want to share with you a story that's been making waves in the tech industry. Meet Dreame, a Chinese company that's taking the world by storm with its ambitious plans to revolutionize the consumer tech landscape. Dreame's founder, Yu Hao, has set his sights on creating a company that can rival the likes of Dyson and DJI. With a valuation of $2.8 billion and revenue projected to hit over $4 billion in 2025, Dreame is certainly making a statement. But what's behind this rapid growth? The company's breakneck expansion has raised eyebrows, with some questioning its sustainability. From vacuum cleaners to hairdryers, action cameras, and even cars, Dreame seems to be throwing its hat into every ring. And while its products have received positive reviews, the company's strategy of emulating its competitors has led to lawsuits from the likes of Dyson and Ecovacs. Despite the controversy, Dreame CEO remains unfazed. With significant funding from Chinese investors and the government, the company is operating as if it has virtually unlimited resources. And with plans to launch a rocket and expand its physical presence globally, it's clear that Dreame is thinking big. But is this ambitious strategy a recipe for success or a recipe for disaster? Only time will tell. One thing's for sure though, Dreame is a company to watch in the coming years. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.